guys, it's Kevin here. If you're new to my channel, I do review all kinds of products, and so I have a printer here in front of me to review for you today. If you are new, please do hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button. Feel free to comment below. I do comment, or I do respond to those comments, and then of course share the videos. So I picked this up in a website. It's called Dealscoop. They are a site that basically takes technology devices, so think computers, printers obviously, drives, monitors. They even do some other stuff like office furniture, and they rehab them to where and refurbish them so they're like basically new. A lot of their products are even have been barely used or more open box items, etc. They have a ton of products, so I'm going to include a link down below for you to check out their website. They also are based in the United States, so it's not like you're getting a Frankenstein product that's shipped overseas and refurbished. They are located in my home state here in Texas. They're actually up in Fort Worth. And they stand by their products, so if you have any problems, all their products come with a 90-day warranty. And then, for example, like the HP printer here that we're about to go into, you can get it at a fraction of the cost. So this printer, which is the HP Envy 7855, if you were to buy it from like a website like Amazon, Best Buy, or directly from HP, it's essentially $230. Where Dealscoop, as a refurbished product, you can get it for $89.85, so basically $90. And then I will include a link for a limited time right now. If you use Pure Reviews, you get an extra, I think it's 10% off. So, and when they ship products like this printer, for example, and they renew it, it also comes with, it comes almost like it's basically like you would get it from HP. It even comes with genuine HP ink. So like I said, it's a US based company, and it comes with genuine parts. So let's get into the printer itself. So the HP Envy 7855 all-in-one printer is a great little device for either the home office, if you're into printing photography, whatnot. Has a lot of options for you. So the printer is obviously a printer. It does also faxing, so you can hook it up and get faxes. It does scanning, has a scanning capability. The scanning itself scans in RAW, JPEG, PDF, and it is 1200 DPI scanner. So we'll kind of go into the breakdown everything here. So in the front, we'll just start off with the paper tray, which is down here in the bottom. It can hold up quite a bit of paper. When you're doing like copying, it can do 50 copies at once, continuous. So it has a decent sized paper tray. And then it has a secondary tray above that, which is for you to place in your photo printers, or your photo paper. So it does 4x5s, 4x6s, 5x7s. The printer also does for things like envelopes. So it has a lot of paper options. And then this is the device for when the paper comes out. It has this automatic, let's see if I can get it out. There's a little thing that extends automatically when you turn it on to hold the paper. And then right here is the screen that you can go through and select all the apps and set up and everything. This is a touch screen. So my only complaint so far with this printer, I love it, but the touch screen, it can get kind of finicky. You have to press it a couple times. But at the end of the day, you really I don't ever really interact with this. I interacted with it when I set it up, and pretty much I've left it at that. Standard power button. And then for the scanner, you can feed through the top here. You can also, in case you get any jams or anything, you've got the mode right here where you can kind of scan it through. And then of course, it's just a flatbed scanner. So here's the flatbed scanning part right here. And then all the printing mechanisms, you just open up here, and this is where all the guts are. And then the ink cartridges are on this side. Now it comes with a black ink cartridge and then a tricolor ink cartridge. which you can pick up pretty much at any major retailer. They're pretty common. So connectivity, it is a Wi-Fi printer, but that's not the only option. It also has an Ethernet connection. So I'll kind of turn it around here. On the back, if you wanted to direct connect it with Ethernet, you can. You can also use a printer cable. Both these cables you're going to have to pick up on your own. They're not included. And then down here is the phone jacks to hook it up to a phone for faxing. Like I said, it is Wi-Fi. That's what I use. And the Wi-Fi, it has 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi capability. And as far as printing options, you have a ton of options. So when I hooked it up to the Wi-Fi, I do have an HP Spectre laptop. It automatically detected it, that it was on my Wi-Fi network. It automatically didn't have to install any drivers. It was just there. So probably the easiest printer I've ever had to hook up. Usually you have to do drivers and find it, etc., etc. So there's that method. HP also has what they call e-printing. So if you have, for example, on your cell phone, which a lot of us have tons of photos on, you can download the HP app and then you can e-print straight to your printer at your house, or it makes it super easy. So that's an awesome feature. And then in the front, there's this little hidden trap door here that you can pop out, and in here is a slot for a SD card and then a USB if you want to hook it up to that way. So that's kind of everything with the printer. Like I said, it's very quick. It does a great quality job. This is an example. Now I printed this on just quick, so this printed out in less than 18 seconds. If you can do the photo quality with the glossy photo paper, which will take a little bit longer and give you a better resolution. But I just wanted to print something quick, kind of to show you guys what it looks like. But other than that, this is a great product. If you're in the market for a printer, I'll include some information down below where to pick this up. Obviously, I recommend picking it up at Dealscoop. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment and I will respond. Until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.